So we're going to put our K paw on fret number 3 and play this in C, okay? Gosh. A minor, F, G. Okay, so that's A minor, F, G, and then D minor, right? A minor, F, G, D minor. And this is like a basic way to play it. And what we're doing here is we're trying to keep it to the rhythm of the drum, okay? So you strum, if you can strum like really fast, almost like shredding, then you can do the A minor, F, G, and then D minor. If you can't, then A minor, F, G, D minor. And then we move into don't let the ones that hurt you see you cry. And that part is, let me wait for it. F, G, D minor, G. Okay? So that's your pre-chorus. F, G, D minor, G. A minor, F, G. Okay, so on the chorus we're not going to be using D minor. Let me just, hold on, rewind. I want to get the, can I stop the rain? Oh, no. Okay, so it's A minor, F, G, and then G again. Okay, so we're not going to be switching to D minor. So pay attention to that. Can I stop the rain? So that's A minor, F, G, and then again G. A minor, F, G, G. A minor, F, G, G. Down, down, up, 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 down, down. So the only difference between the verse and the chorus is in the verse we're going to be adding a D minor. In the chorus we don't need the D minor, sorry. In the verse we're going to be adding a D minor. In the chorus we don't need that. It's going to be G, G at the end. Okay, so the chords actually change midway. So let's keep playing. Second verse is the same as the first one. And the pre-chorus, and then the chorus the second time. Can I stop the rain? Yeah, 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 yeah. Can I stop the D minor, F, C, G. That's Tennessee Can I stop the rain? Can I stop the rain?
stop the rain.